Hello, Nikolai Markovich from Echolaketech Technologies, echolaketech.com. In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature that Bubble just released about 2 weeks ago called the Magic Login Link. And what it allows you to do is to send an email to a user with a link for them to log in. And the neat thing about it is that the link for them to log in, it only lasts an hour long, and it can only be used one time. So let's do a quick demo here, and I've actually created an account for somebody, and we've got the password in here and the account, and we've got the login here. So I'm just going to go and copy that because I have an incognito window here, and you can see there it's got a link. And then I come over here, and I think it was bob2@test.com. And we just go back, grab the password. And I'll come over here, and all right, let's log in. Okay, now the way I have this set up, and I have another video for this, it's basically for first-time users. It's asking me to go and immediately change the password. Now that's not part of the magic login link. That's something else, but I'll put a link for the video for that, and you can check it out. Okay, so now this user is logged in, and I'm going to go back and copy this URL again. Go back over to here, and so the link has expired, has already been used. Please request another. And it brings me to a different page altogether. So let's get into the design for this. And before we do that though, if you like this video and these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate those, and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified of upcoming videos. Okay, on the design here, so I've just basically got a simple input to collect the email for this person. And if you're not familiar, input right here on the right hand side for elements. And all I did was just, again, a simple input for email. That's the type of content that it is. And then what I have over here is a button. And for the button, it is right over here, like that. And then I just changed what it says for the text. Now let's go over to the workflow. And on the workflow, so the first step I did was I created the person's account. Okay, and to do that, it's all I need is their email address, hence just that simple email input. The next one is to assign them a password. And I take the results from step 1 because that's for the user I just created. And then, and this is the new feature from Bubble here, send magic login link. And in here you have the email. Now I could have, since I make up these accounts, I just had it to go to my email account so that I would get the email. And then the subject here, this is right out of the box from Bubble. I didn't make any changes here. The only 2 changes that I did make was to get the temporary password and then the email as well. And just simply insert dynamic data here and result from step 1. And then for that one, it's email. And then result from step 2. And that just automatically gives the password. And that's basically all there is to set that up. Now, the other thing that's a requirement, or these fields here are a requirement, is the navigate to login. So what I have it do is I have the email, have the link. I'm just going to jump back over here to the email. So this link here, if it's the first time that they've logged in, it's going to go to my index page. And other times, subsequent times after the first time, they're going to go to the blog page. And I just simply pick the next page that I had here on my list. And that is all there is to it. Let me kind of quickly go through and show you step 1. So step 1 is account, and create an account for someone else. So that's just step 1, and I took the input value. So that's how we get to step 1. Step 2, assign the temporary password. So account and assign temporary password to user, and then the user. So we created the user in step 1. So that's all we do. Take the result from step 1. And then the last one, step 3, again, under account, send magic login link. In here, again, generic, the email, I just used my own email, magic link. And then in here, again, I just add the dynamic fields for getting the password from step 2 and the user's email address. The other requirements here are navigate on login. So again, I just picked index. And then if there's a failure, or if it times out after an hour, or the second time or third time or whatever that they're trying to get to that link, it goes to the blog page. Now the other thing I could have done here, log in here. I'm just going to go back to the email. So I could have changed that to be something else more descriptive. And that is basically all there is to use this new magic login link from Bubble. Check it out. It's kind of cool. And if you like this video, again, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.